E-commerce has become an integral part of modern business, with online retailers constantly seeking ways to enhance their visibility and reach potential customers. One powerful avenue for achieving this is through Google Merchant Center, a platform that allows businesses to showcase their products on Google's various shopping-related platforms. When combined with the popular e-commerce platform Shopify, businesses can tap into a broader audience and streamline their product listing process. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the integration of Google Merchant Center with Shopify, discussing its benefits, setup process, optimization strategies, challenges, and best practices. Understanding Google Merchant Center and Shopify. Google Merchant Center. Google Merchant Center is a tool that enables businesses to upload and manage product information, making it available for Google shopping-related services like Google Shopping Ads and Google Search. This helps businesses connect with potential customers who are actively searching for products online. Shopify. Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms, allowing businesses to create and manage online stores easily. It offers features for product management, order processing, payments, and more, making it a preferred choice for entrepreneurs and established businesses alike. 2. Benefits of integrating Google Merchant Center with Shopify. Increased visibility. By integrating Google Merchant Center with Shopify, businesses can showcase their products on Google Shopping, a dedicated platform where users can search for and compare products directly within Google's search results. Targeted advertising. Google Shopping ads appear to users who are actively searching for products, providing businesses with an opportunity to reach a highly targeted audience at the moment of purchase intent. Streamlined product listings. The integration simplifies the process of uploading and updating product information on Google. Changes made within Shopify can automatically sync with Google Merchant Center, saving time and reducing the risk of errors. Rich product information. Google Shopping ads include product images, prices, and other key details, helping users make informed purchasing decisions even before clicking on the ad. Performance tracking. Businesses can monitor the performance of their Google Shopping campaigns through Google Ads, gaining insights into clicks, impressions, conversions, and return on investment. 3. Setting up the integration. Create a Google Merchant Center account. If you don't have one, create a Google Merchant Center account. Provide accurate business information, link it to your Google Ads account, and verify your website. Configure Shopify's Google Shopping channel. Within Shopify, access the Sales Channels section and add the Google Shopping channel. Follow the prompts to connect your Google Merchant Center account. Product Data Feed Setup. Set up a product data feed, a file that contains detailed information about your products. This feed needs to adhere to Google's specifications for attributes such as product title, description, price, availability, and more. Submitting your product feed. Once your data feed is set up, you can submit it to Google Merchant Center. Google will review the feed to ensure it meets their guidelines before your products become eligible to appear in Google Shopping results. 4. Optimizing Google Merchant Center for Shopify. High-quality images. Use high-resolution, clear, and visually appealing product images that accurately represent your products. Accurate product titles and descriptions. Craft concise and descriptive product titles and descriptions that include relevant keywords users might search for. Price and availability accuracy. Regularly update product prices and ensure that items are accurately marked as in stock or out of stock. Detailed product attributes. Provide as much relevant information as possible, including size, color, material, and other attributes that help users make informed decisions. Implementing structured data. Structured data markup enhances the appearance of your products in search results, making them more attractive to potential customers. Challenges and best practices. Data feed errors. Data feed errors can lead to products being disapproved. Regularly review and address any issues in your data feed. Monitoring performance. Regularly analyze the performance of your Google Shopping campaigns. Adjust bids, keywords, and other settings to optimize results. Mobile optimization. Given the prevalence of mobile shopping, ensure that your product listings are optimized for mobile devices. Compliance with policies. Adhere to Google's policies and guidelines to avoid potential account suspension or disapproval of products. Seasonal and promotional campaigns. Leverage Google Merchant Center to run seasonal promotions and special campaigns, attracting customers during key shopping periods. 6. Future trends and considerations. A. Visual search. Visual search, enabled by technologies like Google Lens, could play a significant role in the way customers discover products in the future. B. Voice search integration. As voice search continues to grow, optimizing product listings for voice queries could become essential. C. Sustainable and ethical practices. Consumers are increasingly conscious of sustainability and ethical considerations. Highlighting these aspects in your product listings could resonate with environmentally and socially conscious shoppers. Conclusion. The integration of Google Merchant Center with Shopify offers businesses a powerful way to expand their reach, enhance visibility, and drive conversions. By understanding the benefits, mastering the setup process, optimizing product listings, and staying current with best practices, businesses can effectively leverage this integration to tap into Google's extensive user base and enhance their e-commerce success. As technology and consumer behaviors evolve, staying adaptable and exploring emerging trends will be crucial for businesses looking to maximize the potential of this integration. Please note that while this guide provides comprehensive insights into the integration of Google Merchant Center and Shopify, the e-commerce landscape and technology may have evolved since my last knowledge update in September 2021. Always refer to the latest resources and official documentation for the most up-to-date information and strategies.